다음 주 여행 갈 건데 추천해 주세요.
충청북도 청주 어때요?
뭐가 유명해요?
옛 대통령 별장인 청남대도 있고요. 국립청주박물관도 있어요.
전통시장도 있나요?
그럼요. 육거리 시장이라는 아주 큰 전통시장이 있어요. 먹을거리도 엄청 많아요. Hi, and welcome back to another episode of
한국남매, where you get to learn how to speak Korean and hear us talk about all kinds of things about the Korean culture and customs. So join the family and hit that subscribe button. Hannah, what are we doing today?
We're going to talking about traveling.
Traveling.
That's
like
a
traveling?
I love traveling.
Yeah, me too. What is traveling in Korean?
여행.
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 Can we say go traveling? 여행 가다.
여행 가다.
I've been to 5, 6, 7.
Wow.
I think I've been to like 9 or 10 countries.
And the best country is
Korea
there you go.
and Canada. Wait, that doesn't count. I'm from Canada, so Korea.
Korea.
Of course. Have you traveled a lot?
Yeah, I traveled a lot. 10 or 11,
I've been to like 12.
maybe 20. Just kidding.
Have you traveled around Korea a lot?
Yeah, a lot. Korea is a small country, so really easy to get anywhere, you know.
That's right. Yeah, it's great to travel
Uh-huh.
around. Yeah, it's very, very
Right.
handy to get around.
Right.
I've noticed that in Korea, a lot of people like traveling. I've seen like a lot of people like going to 휴게소.
휴게소.
I love the 휴게소.
In highway, right?
Yeah, yeah, that's right. On the side of the highway, you'll have like a little rest stop. 휴게소. 휴게소s in Korea are the best.
The best. They sell like really good food. 화장실.
Bathrooms are so clean.
So clean.
Yeah, a lot of food, a lot of varieties, a lot of coffee shops.
Right.
What's your favorite food?
호두 과자, walnut cake.
So they have like these little like
Yeah.
pastries that are shaped like walnuts.
Walnuts.
And inside there's like a walnut paste.
Pat.
Red bean
Red bean
pat.
paste.
I like the potatoes.
통감자?
Yeah, that's right. Like little
Aw.
potatoes, and then they put like a little like
love it.
salt on top and
Salt.
the toothpick.
know.
And
Oh
I
my
love
gosh.
those. So good. 다음 주에 여행 갈 건데 추천해 주세요.
충청북도 청주 어때요?
뭐가 유명해요?
옛 대통령 별장인 청남대도 있고요. 국립청주박물관도 있어요.
전통시장도 있나요?
그럼요. 육거리 시장이라는 아주 큰 전통시장이 있어요. 먹을거리도 엄청 많아요.
다음 주에 여행 갈 건데 추천해 주세요.
충청북도 청주 어때요?
뭐가 유명해요?
옛 대통령 별장인 청남대도 있고요. 국립청주박물관도 있어요.
전통시장도 있나요?
그럼요. 육거리 시장이라는 아주 큰 전통시장이 있어요. 먹을거리도 엄청 많아요.
So for today's lesson, what vocabulary words should we know?
추천? Recommendation.
Recommendation. Could you recommend a place?
Right. Could you recommend some tourism attraction, like
Yeah.
that?
아하, 추천해 주세요.
추천해 주세요.
You know, we could use this for other situations too. Like when ordering food. 좀 추천해 주세요.
Oh, like so a lot of menu. You can say to server like 추천해 주세요. 뭐가 제일 맛있어요?
When asking about places and location traveling, where?
어디?
어디?
Like where are you going? 어디가?
어디가? How do I say like where's good?
어디가 좋아요?
어디가 좋아요?
Good is 좋다.
Right.
어디가 좋아요? 청주에서 어디가 좋아요?
Okay.
What is a good place in 청주?
I want to go to a particular place and I want to see like a market. How do I ask? Is there?
있어요?
있어요.
거기에 마켓이 있어요? 거기에 시장이 있어요?
다음 주에 여행 갈 건데 추천해 주세요.
충청북도 청주 어때요?
뭐가 유명해요?
옛 대통령 별장인 청남대도 있고요. 국립청주박물관도 있어요.
전통시장도 있나요?
그럼요. 육거리 시장이라는 아주 큰 전통시장이 있어요. 먹을거리도 엄청 많아요. So, I think that's pretty much all for today,
Yeah,
right?
I think we covered all our bases.
Yes.
So from us,
To you,
한국
남매. Bye-bye.
열공하세요.
열공하세요.